So this is the Aoviho laptop stand available on Amazon. So I have not opened this up. I got this. In full disclosure, this has been provided to me by the company for a full review, although I'm not being paid for the review. So this is my honest opinion. I have not opened it yet. You're going to see it for the first time with me. We're going to put it together and we're going to see how it works with my laptop. So let's see what's in the box. So I open it up here and it looks like I've got some tools here. So we've got an Allen wrench. Looks like I have a little driver. And looks like a couple of sticky little pads that with two-sided tape. See what these are for later. Metal casing, it's in a plastic wrap. Let's open it up. Really kind of like a billet aluminum. Feels pretty stiff, pretty sturdy. So let's get the box, all that out of the way. But that's the box that it comes in. Throw that down. And so by looking at this, just from the beginning, as I'm looking at it, has a nice metal lip here, and that's padded. So your laptop won't slide off. So that's really good. Already has these little rubber sticky corner things, grip for your laptop. They're already on there. If I flip it over, we've got two small ones. So what I'm guessing is there's already 4 on here. So the ones that came with it look like they're probably extras or spares if one of these were to come off, or you could even put one in the center if you wanted to. But I'm going to assume that these are extra. So let's just assume that. All right, so how does this work? Well, if you look here, we've got some nuts. So I'm guessing that's what this driver's for, is to loosen that up. Let's see if it just opens. Pretty stiff. It's pretty tough. It's pretty tight. But if I open it up, you know, it's already right there. So not too bad. And it's pretty, you know, and I'm guessing because you put the weight of the laptop so it doesn't smush down. And that's probably what these are for, is just extra tightening in case you have a heavy laptop. Mine's not too heavy. It's a 17-inch, but it's fairly light. And then it has the Aoviho. It's hard to see the logo down here. Overall, just initial reaction, extremely good laptop stand. So let's pause. Let me grab my laptop, put it on here, and we'll see what it looks like. I'm gonna push it down just a little bit more. Right there. So let's pause and come back with the laptop. All right, so now I have the laptop. We'll sit it right there on the stand. I'll open it up. Let's zoom out just a little bit. Try to tilt up just a little. Not going to be able to see everything on here with the laptop. I don't have a wide enough shot. But it sits on there. It's elevated. It's pretty nice, actually, to be able to put your hands up here. Pretty sturdy. Kind of bounces a little bit. So if we look, I'm going to flip this over just to show you what it looks like. So that's, obviously I'm holding it, but that would be about like that. You can see the back side of my laptop. So my laptop it's quite a bit bigger than the stand. If it was a 15-inch laptop or a 13-inch, I think it would be absolutely perfect. As is though, no complaints whatsoever. If you center the laptop, you know, it sits on there really well. It's elevated, and it's nice that you can angle this down, you know, so you can kind of keep it angled. And then here's what I'm going to briefly, I don't normally shoot to an angle, but I'm going to move the camera so that you can see it from the side and then see the elevated changes. So hang on for just 1 second. So now from the side, you can kind of see how the laptop sits. You can adjust it like that. You can push it all the way down if you want, like that. You can elevate it up, so if you want to take the laptop off, you can instantly kind of pull it up like that. And you can see how high you can actually get that laptop stand. It's kind of way up there. So, you know, just give you an idea how high this thing can go. And then you put your laptop on there. And actually you're going to have to tilt it down a little because I noticed my laptop was a little too back heavy, wanted to make it tip. So you got to get a little bit of the weight angling down, because where the brackets are here against the very back of the plate, try to stand it straight up and it is going to tip over. So you are going to have it angled down slightly. But overall, it's a very good metal construction. I think it's extremely good laptop stand. I would have no problems using this on a regular basis. And actually, you know, like I said, they provided this for me to demo. I'm impressed with it. I think it's well worth the money. And I'm probably going to take this to work and continue to use it because I really like it. It gets it elevated. And then you have room underneath. You know, the other thing cool too is that, you know, at work, if you like to use an external keyboard, maybe you just use your laptop as a monitor, you know, you can slide that back. You can put a keyboard down here. You got your mouse right here. So it's a lot of different options with this. If you don't like using the keyboard on the laptop, get you an external keyboard right here. They're all wireless now with a wireless mouse, and you have all that. And then you just, when you're ready to go, just take your laptop, you know, and you leave your stand and everything. Overall, an excellent product. So overall, I'd have to say I'm really impressed with it. I think it's a really good laptop stand. If you're looking for one of these, I don't think you could go wrong. The thing that was exciting was when I first opened the box, I saw the tools and stuff. I was like, oh man, am I going to have to put this together? But I didn't. It's usable right out of the box. The tools are just there in case you need to make adjustments, and it's great that they have provided tools with it. They extra pads, you know, the little rubber stops or the grips is excellent as well. So highly recommend this laptop stand. Thanks for watching this episode of Mike's World. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed, like the video, leave a comment, hit the notification bell, you know, every time I upload a new video. And you can always check out my store on Amazon, amazon.com/shop/Mike's World. Lots of great items there that you can buy and look from. And if you click in the description and buy through my channel, I do get a very small commission off that. So it does help the channel. Not asking for donations, but if you buy through my links, it does help us out. Guys, thank you. Have a great day.